In this video, I'm going to show how to fix Steam disk write error. So first thing you're going to do is go here and type in Windows Update. So inside Windows Update, just check if there's any update. Make sure you are on the latest version. After you do this, now you want to go here and type in Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, you want to shut off and end the task of any Steam like software. So what you're gonna do is just find Steam running here. So if you find any Steam software running here, just make sure you end the process. As you can see, there's these. So I would right click, end task, right click, and then end task. So you're gonna have to just go through this whole apps. You can find it easily if you just select any software and then click S and then T. And this should help you find the Steam softwares faster. Then you would go to details and do the same thing. Just find any Steam softwares. So once you find them, you would right click end process tree, right click end process tree. And then after you're done, now what you're going to do is open Steam. And here you will go to Steam and then settings. Now here in the settings, you want to go to downloads and go down here and clear the cache, and this will clear the cache of the Steam software. After that, you want to find the software you're having issues with. So let's say it's this one. You would right click properties, and then here you want to go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. This might take a few minutes to finish, but wait for it. So the last thing you can do here is simply just leave this, go to Steam settings, and here you want to go to downloads. Make sure your region is selected to your region or your country or city. If you can't find your country, all you have to do is just select the closest country to the country you're seeing here. And after that, you can just try to restart Steam simply by closing it down completely and restarting it and reopening it, and hopefully your issue has been fixed.